Hello students, welcome to the class 2nd mathematics class. In the previous session we have learned the basic subtraction. Today in this video we will learn 2 and 3 digit subtraction. Let's quickly revise the properties of subtraction. First, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Second, to subtract, we write the larger number above the smaller number. Third, when a number is subtracted from the same number, the answer is 0. In the previous video, we have learned subtraction of one-digit numbers. We have learned subtraction on fingers and mind. Let's revise quickly. Suppose we have to subtract 2 from 5. Then 2 is smaller than 5. So we keep 2 in our mind and after that we start counting till 5. So 3 fingers. So answer will be 3. So let's learn how to subtract 2 and 3 digits numbers. Now take an example 38 minus 24. The first step is make a column of tens and ones. Now can you tell me which number is bigger, 38 or 24? Yes, 38 is bigger than 24. So write 38 above 24. Now subtract the ones column first. 8 minus 4 and answer will be 4. Now subtract the tens column. 3 minus 2 and the answer will be 1. So the difference is 14. Let's take another example. We have to subtract 57 from 98. As I told you, the first step is to draw a column of tens and ones. So draw a column of tens and ones. 98 is bigger than 57. So we write 98 above 57. We have to write these numbers according to their place value. Now subtract the ones column. 8 ones minus 7 ones is equal to 1 ones. Now subtract the tens column. 9 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 4 tens. So the answer will be 41. Now take an example of 3-digit number. 797 minus 81. Write the numbers in column form. Write this number according to their place value and write the bigger number above the smaller number. Now subtract the ones column first. 7 ones minus 1 ones is equal to 6 ones. 9 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 1 tens. 700, it will remain same. So the answer will be 716. Now there is something very interesting. Suppose you have to subtract 35 from 64. Write this number according to their place value in tens and ones column. Let's follow the process first. Subtract the ones column. 4 minus 5. Here it is interesting. Say I have 4 carrots and I need to give away 5 carrots. But it is a problem. How can I give away more than I have? We know that 4 is less than 5. So how we can subtract it? We will do a special trick. Regrouping. When you are subtracting a column and the bottom number is bigger than the top number, that means you need to regroup. Subtraction by regrouping is also called borrowing. To subtract 38 from 52, we write 52 as 50 plus 2. Breaking it down into tens and ones, 5 tens, 2 ones. Then regrouping means that 50 plus 2, it becomes 4 tens and 12 ones, or 40 plus 12. Now let's go back to our example. 64 minus 35. 5 cannot be subtracted from 4 as 4 is less than 5. So borrow 1 tens from the tens column, leaving behind 5 tens. One side becomes 1 tens plus 4 is equal to 14. Now subtract 14 minus 5 and the answer will be 9. Write in the ones column. Now as 6 has given 1 tens, it becomes 5 tens. Subtract 5 minus 3. It becomes 2 tens. So the answer will be 29. Now let's take another example. 94 minus 57. Start subtraction from ones column. 4 minus 7. Again 7 is greater than 4. So 7 cannot be subtracted from 4. So the 4 will borrow 1 tens from the 9 tens and it becomes 10 ones plus 4 is equal to 14 ones. So the 4 ones, it becomes 14 ones. After giving 1 tens, 9 tens become 8 tens. Now subtract the ones. 14 minus 7 and the answer will be 7. Now subtract tens column. 8 minus 5 and the answer will be 3. Now let's take 3-digit example. 965 minus 729. Let's start subtraction from ones column. 5 minus 9. Here again 5 is less than 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. So the 5 will borrow 1 tens from the 6 tens and the 5 ones, it becomes 15 ones. Now subtract 15 from 9 and the answer will be 6. After giving 1 tens, 6 will become 5 tens. Subtract 5 minus 2. The answer will be 3. Now subtract the 100 column. 9 minus 7 and the answer will be 2. So the difference is 236. Checking subtraction through addition. This is a very simple method by which you can check whether you did subtraction of numbers correctly or not. Now let's take one example. 97 minus 20 and the difference will be 77. The number subtracted is 20 and the answer is 77. Now add these two numbers, 77 plus 20. 97 was the number from where 20 was subtracted. Therefore, this shows our subtraction is correct. Now let's take 3-digit number and check our answer. 351 minus 123 and we will get 228. Now we have to add 123 and 228 and the answer we will get 351. So 351 is the number from where 123 was subtracted. Therefore, this shows our answer is correct. Subtraction needs a lot of practice. So, keep doing practice.